Welcome to our review of the Huawei Mate X. Today, we will explore its features, design, performance, and more. Let's dive in. The Huawei Mate X stands out with its innovative foldable design. When unfolded, it features a stunning 8-inch display, providing an immersive viewing experience. The device is sleek and lightweight, making it easy to handle. The AMOLED display delivers vibrant colors and sharp contrasts. Whether you are watching videos or browsing the web, everything looks incredible. The edge-to-edge screen enhances your visual experience. Powered by the Kirin 990 processor, the Mate X offers lightning-fast performance. Multitasking is seamless, allowing you to run multiple apps smoothly. Coupled with 8 GB of RAM, this device handles everything you throw at it. The Mate X features a versatile camera setup, including a 40MP main camera, a 16MP ultra-wide camera, and an 8MP telephoto lens. This allows you to capture stunning photos and videos in various conditions. With a 4,500 mAh battery, the Mate X provides all-day usage. Plus, it supports fast charging, ensuring you spend less time plugged in and more time using your device. Running on MWI, the Mate X offers a user-friendly experience with plenty of customization options. The interface is smooth and intuitive, making it easy to navigate through apps. Overall, the Huawei Mate X is a groundbreaking device that combines cutting-edge technology with stunning design. If you are looking for a premium foldable smartphone, the Mate X is worth considering. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.